everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we went on a little road trip to Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, and they have a Jelly Belly store. It's not like the big one. All that is just a warehouse and a gift shop. Well, in the past they used to do little tours where you rode a little train around the warehouse and you would just kind of learn. You couldn't take any pictures, you couldn't do this, you couldn't do that. But they recently announced that they're closing down the factory. Now somebody is trying to fight to keep it open, but right now a lot of stuff was on clearance. They had everything 60% off, and then they had stuff buy one get one free. They sold cases of jelly beans. I kind of wish I got more for Halloween, but didn't think of it at the time. So I'm just going to share with you guys everything that we got. So they had these Harry Potter milk chocolate wands. I've never had these before, but they had these for 50 cents. Plus they were buy one get one free. So we did get the, I don't know what happened to the fourth one, but we did get those. They also had this little soccer ball. Ben's gonna show you guys how it works.
Yeah, you like push the yellow button and he like kicks it. See?
It does a better job.
It's supposed to go to there and then go here.
Yeah, why don't you try it again?
Let me just, even you just turn it and then you see this and you like open it and you like this and you like do this and you like do this. You like push this button and you will kick it and it will go put it to right here. Because it didn't work this time.
And so this is what it was. This is what the packaging looks like. We got another one for a friend, but these were marked down to $5. It does say it includes a sample bag. Did you get a sample bag included in it? I don't know the original price for it, but I mean for $5 that is so worth it. We also got some pencils. I think we have another one.
My school.
Ben picked up 4 pencils. These were 50 cents and then they were 60% off, so we got some pencils. They also had a case. They had a 2-pack case of these Jelly Belly Valentine Day mix, which is actually pretty good because they're a shimmer. They come in cotton candy, bubble gum, and like strawberry or cherry, but I don't know how many are in here, but it's like a whole case, and you get 2 of them in a box, and that was just $6. So I thought that was a really, really good deal. We ended up getting some Jelly Belly straws. We got a green.
They have some colors.
Yeah, we got green one, we got a blue one, and we got a red one. These were $1.75, so I think we got these for like 70-something cents a piece. I thought, sure, why not? We ended up getting these little cups. These are perfect little cups for the kids. These were originally $2.99, and we got these for 60% off, so they were like under $1, which I thought was a pretty great deal. I also got a lanyard because I like having a lanyard sometimes. So this was a cool little black little Jelly Belly lanyard. This was originally $3.99. I got that for 60% off. We got a, I collect smash pennies. Now they used to have a smash penny machine at that location, but I didn't find it. This was originally $5.99. I got this for like, I think I got this for like 2 something. But really excited because I collect smash pennies. These bags were 50 cents each, and they were buy one get one free, so we ended up getting 2 of these bags. We got this big large Jelly Belly pen. This was originally $2.99, but it's huge, so I thought that's kind of cool. Ben wanted a pen, so I'm like, here, take that. And then in here we got 70-something bags of candy, you guys. 70-something bags. The ones that they had included, these were all a penny, and they were, or not a penny.
I'm not trying.
These were 25 cents, and they were buy one get one free. So we got 70-something bags. So Graham just grabbed a bunch of them, but we ended up getting the Fury 5 Bean Boozled. We got some energy ones. We got
they make you super fast.
Sorted berry. And then pomegranate. I don't know what other ones in here. And then we got, oh, here's a green one. This one is watermelon. And then we got a ton of these. We had to look at all the dates because some of them expired in a couple days and some of them don't expire till 1.5 years from now. And then we had some sugar-free belly flops. So these are perfect. These are just bad, you know, jelly beans that are just kind of called belly flaps. So this I think was 50 cents, and it was also buy one get one for a quarter, or it was 25 cents. But yeah, so, and then in the bag I also got two magnets. We got one for ourselves and then one for Graham's parents. So Graham's mom collects magnets, and I think that was it for all in that bag, you guys. Like, we went super crazy. And then we also got this little thing. I also got one for the BOY, but we got one that says Charlotte. It's a little glass jar. These were $5.99, and then they were 60% also. But you can basically just have your own little glass jar, and then with a lid on it that has the kid's name on it. So I thought that was super cute. You don't even have to put you know, jelly beans in it. You could just put whatever in there. But that was our haul, you guys. So we ended up getting everything for 46 bucks. Everything, all that stuff for $46, which was awesome. I know Graham's gonna take a lot of this candy to work, but I'm pretty excited to try a chocolate wand. I've never tried a chocolate wand before. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a
thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.